Okay, we are live. Hmm. I'm so damn sleepy right now. I was genuinely considering to skip this contest. Okay, I haven't even changed my camera. Right. Yo, Adesh is here. Another. Hello, what's up? No, I'm just sleepy today. आगे another Sunday morning sleep बर्बाद करने exactly. I have my NSIMs tomorrow and I haven't started studying for that either. Why do I do this? Sometimes I ask myself, bro. Hmm. DSA NSIM is on Tuesday. If you have your NSIM of DSA, you still have some knowledge. Mine exam is for entrepreneurship. Yeah, I know. Yup, it doesn't work. Just like every time. It never works. Okay, it did. My screen is blurred, right? Yep. You're given an integer array. Find the absolute difference between the sum of the k largest. Hmm. We're getting 5 for the first one. For the second, we're getting 0. Let's submit it. Good. Use words with the same vowel count. You're given a string S consisting of lowercase English words each separated by a single space. Okay, determine how many vowels appear in the first word, then reverse each word that has the same vowel count. The first word, then reverse each following word that has the same vowel count. Hmm. Hmm. A-E-I-O-U. Hmm. If ground equals to V ground, then we do is uh final output back. No. What's happening? Come on. Oh god. Final output back. Hmm. Cat. Nah. Cat dnamize I less than final dot size I plus plus. Bro, what? What have I done? Answer plus equals to wait. Okay. Hmm. Cat DNMIs. Book is Eason. Banana healthy. Single space. Leading or trailing spaces. This should actually work. Finally, we've done two questions within almost 10 minutes, bro. Yo, Satyam Singh is a hey, bro, what's up? Finally, now I might as well just end stream and go to sleep. Oh my god, I feel so relieved. At least I won't lose rating now. What's my rank? It shows 1600. I think I need to reload. 1600. Oh, okay. Yeah, finally, my Sunday is not wasted. Thank God, bro. Okay, now let's try if we can solve this. Circular array, where balance I is the net balance of person I. In one move, you can transfer exactly 1 unit of balance. Return the minimum number of moves so that every person has a non-negative balance. If it is impossible, return -1. 1, 2, -5, and 2. This looks like a mine. Hmm. Yeah, so -1 condition is very simple. You calculate your total positive, you calculate your total negative. If they are equal or negative is more, you return -1. Like in this case, if they are equal. Wait. Oh, you can make everything as 0. So if they are equal, it can still be something. Can still be something. Hmm. Hmm. And what's the length here? 10 raised to 5. There is at most one negative value in balance initially. At most. So they can what? At most. Okay, so there can only be one negative value. Okay. You're guaranteed that at most one index has a negative balance initially. Hmm. Okay, so we do know the case of -1. We do know the case of -1. And it's a long long. Hmm. Yeah, the first two questions today were straightforward and simple. 1600. People are solved this. Okay. Let's not. So in this case, we want the minimum operations, right? We want the minimum operations. Non-negative balance. Hmm. Hmm. Is this binary search? Is this binary search? No, this is not binary search. This this is greedy as far as I can think. You pick up from the nearest neighbors because the cost of transferring is the same, right? You pick up from the nearest neighbors. The cost of transferring is the same. Hmm. Yeah, this has to be greedy. This has to be greedy. This has to be greedy. The nearest neighbor from both. The condition is circular array, right? So the nearest neighbor from both sides. From both sides. Hmm. This is rather a greedy problem. Okay. From what I can make sense. Hmm. So we give everything an index. Okay. My screen is blurred, right? Yep. Let's wait, hoodie. That would give us +2 intelligence. +2 intelligence. Nah, that looks weird. Let's not weird it. Hmm. Yeah, this is a greedy problem as far as I can think. Say if index equals to int I, int n, if I is equal to I is greater than equals to 0 and I is less than, or we can simply return n percent I percentage n. Yeah, I percentage n. Because if you had something like 0 1 2 3 dun. Hmm. Okay. And we can return n long at most. Let's at most, right? So there can be an array which has no negative values. So वहाँ पे 0 return करना है, -1 का case करना है. Okay. Is greater than total pause. We return -1. If total neg equals to 0, we return 0. Now comes the case. Now let's find the negative index. Int start index equals to for int le of int I equals to 0, I less than your error dot. Let's store error dot size. If error I is less than 0, we can say start index equals to I and break. Okay, so we have the negative value. Int L index equals to start index +1 and right index equals to start index. In fact, this would be a -1, this would be a +1. and end remaining equals to remaining equals to error I. Remaining, right? Remaining equals to error I. Now all we have to do is iterate, I think. Yep. While remaining exists, remaining equals to absolute of error I. While remaining is greater than equals to 0. L index equals to C index of L index, comma N. Comma N. Now end available equals to your error L index plus error R index. Okay. If available int distances, yeah, we also have to calculate distance. Int distance equals to, initially it's 1. If available is greater than equals to target remaining, I think I'm on the right track with this one. All the best सब लोग contest पे focus लगा दो, जान लगा दो आज. Yep, and today's contest started good. I'm happy with how it started. Thanks, bro. Yo, Cruz is here. What's up, bro? Cruz, what's up? Lol, less sleepy really do make people look like they're drunk. I look drunk? You're saying I look drunk? I might as well look drunk, bro. Rowan, bro, you're not giving today's contest? Now if available is greater than equals to remaining, end TPB to transfer to transfer equals to minimum between remaining and available. If now remaining, now int answer plus equals to 1 LL star. Now here comes the transfer. From here you have distance as 1. You're transferring basically 2. Transferring 2 with a distance of 1, so the total cost is still 2. 1 star LL star to transfer star 1 LL star distance, and remaining minus equals to transfer. Remaining minus equal to transfer. And we increase the distance plus L index plus L index minus R index plus return answer. Shall we run this? What? Int int to transfer equals to minimum between I can't spell, bro. Remaining distance Okay, chill, chill, chill. Addition of unsigned offset. L index, L index minus minus R index plus plus. Wait, what? Okay. In this case, it should actually return if total negative is greater than total positive, return minus 1. Wait, this should not even run. This should not even run. Wait, why is this? Cout total pos total neg total pos total neg. So total pos is 2. Total negative. Oh, okay, my stupid ass. If absolute of total negative is greater than total positive. Okay, so for the first we are getting 4, which is wrong. No, that's actually correct. For the second we are getting 6, that is also correct. For the third we are getting minus 1, but you know what? I'm having a good day today. I've already found an edge case where my code will break. I already found an edge case. If n equals to 2, return total negative. This would make it safe, because let's say I add a test case of let's say I add a test case of wait, there could also be a case where both of my pointers point to the same location. That is very possible. Can it be? Like, this is how it started, right? This, now there's a point to this. No. It would point to this. Yeah, there could also be a case pretty much. Okay, another edge case that I already could have thought. Wow, if L index equals to R index, else else end available equal to error L index plus error R index. Yep. Let's see if this did not break our code. Oh, come on. If we do this, there is only one negative value. I, I I forgot to register for this one. Bro, you can still participate. It doesn't matter. Yeah, there's only one negative value. I have noticed that. What? Remaining error. What? Available? Did I not spell that correctly? What's happening here? Remaining and available. Oh, okay. It's not okay. Error L index. Hmm. right? So for the first case, we're getting 4. For second case, we're getting a 6. For third case, we're getting -1. And for the fourth case, let me write a case of my own. Let's say you have 1, 3, -4. Oh, not 4, 2. We're getting 4. Absolutely, it could be solved in 4. Right? Why do I think this is correct? Yeah, let me submit it. We're getting 4, 6, and -1. Submit it, I don't care. In the case of 4 minus 4, output is -4. Wow, wow, wow. Absolute of total negative. Bro, why did I do something stupid like this? This is what pisses me off. Is there still any edge case that I can think of? Fuck it, I'm submitting it. -6, 6, 5. Oh, see, the safe index fucked me, bro. Shit. Shit, the safe index. Oh my. Chill, chill, chill. If your I is less than 0, if I is actually less than 0, I equals to n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay. Return I percentage k. This would work. I percentage n, bro, come on. For this -665, we're getting a 6. You know what? I don't care about the penalties. I just want to solve the third question. I'll submit it. It's giving 4 and 6. 4 and 6 and -1. And here it's giving 4. Here it's giving 4. Here it's giving 6. Submit it, please. Runtime error. Signed integer overflow. Oh, bro. Int remaining. Yeah. How long answer available? Int true transfer is the minimum between remaining and available. What is the value of it? Goes till 10 raised to I. Okay, I think we can just put that as long. Minimum between remaining is long. Available is also long. Let's see if 6 4 4 -1 4 यहाँ इसलिए आ रहा है ना 6 4 4 and 6. Let me submit it now, please, for God's sake, work, bro. And you know what's the worst part? I didn't deserve the 3 penalties that I got. अबे यार हर बार ऐसा बोलता हूँ. I don't care. I'm happy. Within 35 minutes, the first 3 questions done. Honestly, they were on the easier side. I could have very easily avoided this penalty. I could have very easily solved this in my first attempt. But I'm stupid. Yet I'm happy. This is a good weekend for me. 2,600. Maybe it didn't register my third attempt. Oh no 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 no! Why are you showing my code, bro? What? Why did it show my code? Okay, my rank is 1,900. Now I expect my final rank to be 2,500. Bro, that will be a new best for me. Even in the worst case scenario, it can only go up till like 2,500. That would be a new best for me. Damn. Yo. And honestly, today I was thinking while my alarm was ringing in the morning, I was like, fuck this contest. I don't want to wake up. Thank God I did. This has been my best contest as of now. It's always like whenever I feel the least to stream, my contest goes so much better. So much better. Let's take a look at the fourth question now. Again, range. Bro, I can't, I just can't solve range questions. Shall I at least read it though? You're given a string S of length n. No, my rank could actually, because of penalties, it could actually go up till 3,000, I feel like. Yeah, because of the stupid penalties that I did, bro. That is crazy. Those penalties. No, 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 no. Now I'm kind of sad. Why did I had to do those? Bro, those penalties. Lalach. Are you looking at my lalach? In the start of my contest journey, I just used to pray कि 3 question हो जाए. Now I'm crying over penalties. It doesn't matter. Greed never ends. You're given a string S of length n consisting only of characters A and B. You're also given 2D integer array of queries. Flip flip the character at index j of S. The operation mutates S and affects subsequent queries. Compute the minimum number of character deletions required to make the string alternating. This operation does not modify S. The length of S remains the same. Our substring is alternating. A substring of length 1 is always alternating. This, bro, why does this not look too tough? वन का मतलब फ्लिप करो, टू का मतलब वो बताओ, ए बी ए. Yeah, but how do we, for every time, if we need to check for every time that is it alternating, do we iterate over it? No, we need some way to store it, right? We need some way to store it. Hmm. Can you tell me approach? Approach. Okay, what? I can only give you a hint. It's a greedy question. Greedy question using 2 pointers. I can only give that hint, bro. What is this copy? Successfully copied to clip. Oh my. Nah, bro. I can only give you a hint. It's a greedy question based on 2 pointers. Bro, this looks so bad. Yeah, what do I do now? I'm done with the questions for the contest. And I can guarantee 100% Shaitan probably didn't wake up. And Tarun Rawat and all those people who used to come on my stream regularly, because they're not here, I'm pretty sure they didn't wake up on time. And I did. And I'm happy I did. Because this contest went really, really good. See, we can't calculate it every time. It's going to be too huge. Queries.length is also 10 raised to 5. So yeah, this probably involves some advanced data structure, some segmentary bullshit. I don't think. What's my rank? Please be under 2,300. Yeah, it's already 2,500. Okay, so I expect my rank to be, in the worst case scenario, 2,800. In the worst case scenario, after the cheaters get removed. With cheaters, probably 3,200. Yeah, it doesn't make sense that you do 3 questions in 35 minutes. I'm thinking of something like move left or right from negative valent until it's not. You're on the right track. You're on the right track. Also make a distance variable. You're on the right track, bro. मतलब मैंने की of my city suddenly touch 550. X दिल्ली में ना रह के दिल्ली के मजे. 550, where are you from? What's the AQI in my city? What's the AQI here? 699? Bro, and you know what? I actually went for a run yesterday, or probably day before yesterday. I went for a run after so many days, and I almost fainted in the park. Why, what the fuck? Why so many Emily in question 2? Why are you getting Emily? I didn't get a single Emily. Emily in question 2? Wait, in question 2, you're getting Emily. Why? What's your approach? I hope if you have any approach, if you have made any function, you're passing arguments there by address. I hope. भाई कोई hint दो third में. It's greedy plus 2 pointer. That's the hint. Greedy plus 2 pointer. Yeah, Delhi NCR. I'm fucked right now. Okay, you're from also Delhi NCR. Hmm. You're probably from, I think, then Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad. Damn. Ghaziabad is crazy. Okay, maybe Noida. Noida is 7, 8. What? Bro, we live in such poisonous air and I don't even notice. That's why I wish I can escape this country in the first chance I get. That is crazy. Get free AQI monitor to join the community. Yo, chill out, bro. What do we do now? I'm done with the contest. Do I end stream early today? Does anybody has any like idea? Or do I wait till 9:30 because there's still about 45 minutes left? I'm also pretty sure no one said he didn't wake up today. Let's ask on Discord. We can ask on Discord. We can ask on Discord, shall we? Oh, he is up. He's up. Are you attempting the contest? Are you live? Let's check. मैं हूँ Electus. No, he's not live. 3 penalties, question 3. Bro, see, again, it would feel like I'm crying, but even I got 3 penalties, but I did not deserve a single penalty. My logic was correct with all those 3 penalties. Int overflow की penalty मिली है, कहीं पर absolute का sign नहीं लगाया उसकी penalty मिली है. You know what, that's crazy. 1002 by 1024 test case. The only hint I can give you is, if you're using 2 pointers, think about the case wherein your both pointers point to the same variable. Think about that case. मेरे logic में issue था कुछ. So have you solved it now? Have you solved it now? Yes. Oh, Good work, bro. What's your current rank? Mine is 2700, bro. I thought I'll get a 2000 rank, sub 2000, sub 3000 rank. But at this point, I feel like I might get just above 3000, 3100, 3200. That is crazy. Hmm. Let's ask on this lead coders. Everyone should have woken up for today's contest. It was 50 plus people. We have 50 plus people in my. Do I tag everyone? Do I tag everyone and be shameless, or do I not? Distance equals current rank 2848. Okay, I guess we are then again getting the same elo. How far do you live from them Messies? It's called Central Delhi, I believe. Pretty far from Central Delhi, about. I live in West Delhi. I live in West Delhi. About a one hour distance. Current rank 2848. That's crazy. And I hate that I had the correct logic yet I'm getting. Okay, chill. Chill. The greed will never end if I act like this. Everyone should have woken up for today's contest. It was on the easier side. do I mention everybody and be shameless? तीन हो गए भाई आज तो जल्दी से. Exactly, I'm so happy. What's your current rank, Kavish? What's your current rank? हाँ, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सॉर्टेड और फिर पीछे से के एलिमेंट्स ऐड करो और आगे से के एलिमेंट्स ऐड करो. In trying fourth? Nah, I've given up. I genuinely I don't think so I can solve fourth. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सॉर्ट करके some other approach to get solved. सॉर्ट करके ही ओरियो काव्या ब्रो सॉर्ट करके पीछे से के ऐड करो शुरू से के. Yeah, I'm sending a message to everyone. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Let's send it. Saludos, desde Peru. What does that mean? Bro, I don't know what language is this. What does this mean? Greetings from Peru. Oh, greetings from Peru. Saludos desde Peru. Greetings from India. I hope you're having a good day. Question 4 kaisa bro? By question 4, I can't solve it. There's still quite some time when I can say that I solved all 4 questions. I can't solve question 4. Hmm. What do we do in the meantime? I have an idea. Let's open BlueStacks. Saludos desde Peru. But that might crash my computer. Would it? No, I think my computer can handle that much of load. AQI in Noida. Right, what else do we not need? Let's go. Yes, sir. एप्टी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो. भी आपका थर्ड भी डन. यस. इंडिया बिक्स पर. Naman, bro, why would I in my right mind दिन के 8 बजे सुबह सुबह be inclined to solve aptitude question? I mean that's a good suggestion लेकिन मैं इतना पढ़ाकू नहीं हूँ. I was thinking to play a game. What are these arts? Yeah, okay, I think I can unblur my screen because I won't be showing my code. I won't be showing my code. Yeah, I won't be showing my code, right? Play chess. I don't know how to play chess. I was thinking to play Clash Royale. Honestly, does anyone here play Clash Royale? What? Okay, I think we'll have to search in App Store. Bro, I joined 30 minutes late. Damn, that's crazy. What was your approach for question 3? मैंने greedy से किया. Greedy plus 2 pointer. I solved 3. 30 minutes late. Bro, you should have woken up. Today's contest was on the easier side. We can actually play Scribble. कल एंड से मैं. Yeah, I haven't even started. Play Clash. At Clash, I am at 7,500 trophies. I'm trying to. We can't download Clash on this bullshit Play Store. Where's the play? Bro, home. Okay, it was fucking. Yeah, here's the Play Store. Let's get started. Will I have to log in? No, skip. No thanks. Let's search Clash Royale. Yep, here it is. Install. It's installing. Scribble. So do we play Scribble or Clash Royale? Okay, until the time it's installing, let's play Scribble. Create private room. Okay, how do I invite? Why not trying fourth? Bro, I can never solve fourth. I don't have any approach for fourth. Man patwa, bro. Honestly, because I know I can't. I've sent the link. Is that visible in the chat? Okay, there's one guy. We have 3 people. I guess, yeah. Even in the stream, we have only 3 people. So that's it. Do we play with just 3 people? Okay, we have 4. Winner. Right, we have 5. I think that's it. So let's start, bro. If somebody joins, I think they can join. Stream time करके cheat नहीं कर. Oh yeah, exact. I think I need to hide my screen. Right, you're right. Stream snipe हो जाएगा. Let me ना. Mm, yeah, honestly, never mind. Let's start. Wigs is choosing a word. Okay, Wigs is choosing a word. Let's see. Umbrella. What is it? Bro, what is this? What? Two. What? Okay, back shots. That's crazy. What is? What are you even drawing? Fuck. It okay. Oh, I didn't even see this. I didn't even see this. SP. What can it be? Superman. That's the dumbest guess you could have made. Either this drawing is ass. Bro. Yeah, we dislike this drawing. Nobody got this. What is this? भाई बना क्या रहा है? Exactly. Shit. What? How was this shipwreck, bro? Bro, I clicked wrong word. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. Pick this guy. Nah, chill, chill. Let's wait. Hmm. What is this? Farsi? Ooh. Bruh, people are going to stream snipe now. People are going to stream snipe. Yep. Electors, bro, you cheated. Farsi. Shipwreck. Okay. नहीं भाई. Okay, you didn't. Okay, I believe you. नहीं किया cheater. Bro, you can't write it in the chat. If it's my word, I'll hide my screen. If it's my word, I'll hide the screen. Okay. Now I'm choosing a word. Let's see. Hmm. Oh, I don't know the spelling. I don't know the spelling, bro. Bro, I didn't know how to spell it. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Cheating? No, I just searched the spelling. What do you mean cheating? Bro, this is a good drawing. Honestly, this is a good drawing. We like it. What is Wix doing? Wix, this was the most obvious drawing of all. Bro, it's probably AFK. Kavi is choosing a word. You can't spell. Oh, okay, we can't. Okay, okay. I won't do it from the next time. Let's see. What is this? Perfume. What is this? P.O. Dior? Yeah, perfume, right? What else is it called? Perfume or. Yeah, this is a perfume. What do we call it? Bro, what do we. This is called a perfume. What do you mean? Toilet? What do you call it? Fuss. Spray. Bro, this is called a perfume. Are you wearing a perfume? Is there any other word for perfume? Axe. Oh, bro, you. How do I spell it now, bro? Deodorant. Deodorant. Deo. Every one of us can't write English. Fragrance, deodorant. Yeah, you can't spell this. Spelling ही नहीं आती exactly. Okay, it's my word. I'll hide my screen if it's my word. Okay. This has to be the most obvious one. This has to be the most obvious one. Bro, oh yeah, people saw the options. Electros, bro, you for sure cheated on this one. You surely cheated on this one. Bro, everybody cheated. Nah, I should have been careful. I should have been careful. Easy. D is choosing a word. Okay. I'm not cheating. It was way too fast for you to guess. What is this? K I D P kid po kid poop kid poop. What do you mean? Diarrhea? Kid poop and a bag and a pot? What do you mean? So it's kid dinner, bro. Dipe. Yeah, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Bro, I'm dumb. मैं तो contest देखने के लिए आया था. Bro, we are done with the contest. I solved 3 questions within the first 35 minutes. So, yeah, we're done with the contest. I'm now waiting for the contest to end so that we can discuss our approach. This shit wasn't tough. Bro, who's drawing? Oh, wait. What's my word? Bro, it was my word. I didn't even see. Bhai, draw to kar. I didn't see. No way. I'll have to look at the stream. Bro, I didn't see it was my word. What was? Yeah, this round is losing. Nobody's getting this. Kick karo, he's in drawing. Bhai, I don't know my word. तेरा word नहीं है. Oh, it's from Wix. Okay, Wix is not drawing. Wix, bro, you gotta draw, or you might have to. Wix का है शायद. How do we kick him then? The word was North America. Okay, Electus is choosing a word. Oh, no. This is called tower. Tover. This is some tower. Power tower line. Oh, electric line. No, power cable. What is this? First one is power. First one is power. Power. Bro, D, you're copying. You're copying. What it could. What could it be? What's the second one? Bro, he guessed it. Bro, what could it be? Tower power. Electricity. Power lines. Oh, okay. So I don't know. It was power lines. Kind of tough. भाई glitch हो गया. Oh, glitch हो गया था. Okay. You can join again. I think this link would work. Okay, I need to remember to hide my screen when my word comes up. Two. Nope. Hash up to torf. Hash. Oh, okay. Okay. Hashing. Hash map. Bro, you couldn't guess it? Hash maps. Nope. Kadappa is a good morning, bro. Good morning. It's a good morning because I performed good in the contest. Oh, wait. Bro, people again, so I feel like I need to choose a word. Now, what do I choose here? Okay, let's see. Fast banao. Yup, I'm making it. Something like right. Bro, people are liking my drawing. Yes, sir. This has to be the most obvious one yet. I can't draw anything better than this. Okay. What else? Yeah, bro. There's nothing more that I can add to this. Add drawing. This guy's a pro at drawing. पहाड़ी वाली drawing बना था. Yep. Two mountains and a sun. Okay. It was photo frame. ID Bombay even जा रहे हो क्या चाची? Which even, bro? Nope. I'm not going to any ID Bombay event. How did people get that? Bro, it was obvious. What do you mean? Oh shit, shit, shit. What is this? If it's not pen, then what is it? Ink. Oh, alright. The word was ink. Yep. D is choosing a word. After this, we're shifting to Clash Royale. If it's downloaded. Wait, it's still stuck at 100%. What is this? What? What is this, bro? What are you even making? What are you even making? Bro, no one got it? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. I got it. Bro, people will see from my stream. Is Clash Royale downloaded? It's stuck on 100%. Why? Let's check on home. Is it downloaded? Not yet. That's crazy. Why not? Clash Royale is 100%. And install now. What's the issue? Bro, rank. Okay, if I check my rank, right now it's 3000. That is crazy. All these are cheaters who solved it after. See, that sounds insane to say, but yeah, 3000. I'm kind of happy with. Oh shit! Oh shit! What? Oh, I got it. I got it. Bro, this is a good drawing. This is a good drawing. Okay, it's from Naman. Makes sense. Good drawing. Who's adding the details? In case if it was not clear that it's a bubble. What is your rank, Ryan? What is your rank? Kavi's choosing a word. Why is Clash Royale not downloaded? Cancel. And I download it again. Hmm. What is this? Balding? Pony? Hair? Hairstyle? Oh, rubber band? But no. What do we call that? What what do we call that? That's a rubber band. That's a choti, of course. Band. Okay, I think I have the guess. Yep, yep. I swear to God, if anybody submits now, they are cheating. Bro, I'm not able to solve third in every contest. Did you solve third today? Did you solve third today? I think it's my turn now. Let me hide my screen. Choose a bird. Yeah, this is an easy one. This is an easy one. Be more specific. It's more specific than a burger. Yeah, burger plus cheese. What does it make? Easy. Okay. Yeah, everybody gets the word. How many questions have you solved in total? Third में circular clay, what condition to use? Approach to click but not able to code it. Time is running. Circular clay, you just have to make sure if your index goes beyond 0, usko make it n minus 1, and if it goes beyond n minus 1, make your index I percentage n. GG. Bro, who won? Electus won, bro. Okay, makes sense. He was good. Okay, we are ending this round. We're ending this round. Left the room. Let's play. And how much time is left in the contest? I'm 3100. That is absolutely crazy. And we have 19. We still have 19 minutes left. So loser ended it. Okay, do you want to play another round? I was thinking to play Clash Royale. That's why I ended it, bro. I was thinking to play Clash Royale. Oh, modulo. Okay, let me try. Bro, why is Clash Royale? Play on Android Pie. Manually download. Skip. Do I skip this? Let's see. It's taking way too much time. CR में सिर्फ सोलो ही है बट इसमें तेरी ऑडियंस भी आ जाएगी. Okay, that makes sense. So do we play Scribble again? Then end CR. Do we play Scribble again? Or is there also another game like Scribble? You know what? There's a very good get on top. Get on top. No, 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 no. Get on top. Get on to play a game. Get on top to play a game. This is a crazy good game. I just hope we can invite. No, this is not multiplayer, right? We can't invite people in this. Yeah, that's the point. No, we can't invite this. The name sounds as 2 players, but we can't invite. Yep, we can't invite. Okay, then we go back to Scribble. Okay, then let's just play another round of Scribble. Scribble.io. Please turn off your ad. What the hell happened? It was just working. Bro, it was just working fine. Why am I getting an ad blocker? Scribble. Map, it's working. Okay, I was entering the wrong website, I feel like. Play. Oh, I had to create a... No, 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 no. I had to create a private room. Invite. Bro, my only 3 test cases are falling. In what? In question third? If your 3 test cases are falling, it's probably a case wherein your left pointer and right pointer are pointing to the same element. If it is third question, yeah, do consider a case wherein your both pointer are pointing to the same uh, same element. In that case, you'd have to change the logic a bit. Okay, let me check. Current rank 3,344 minus 3,227. Bro, I was thinking, see, bro, I was thinking that I'll get at least a 2,000 in today's contest. Damn, I actually look like I'm drunk. I actually look like I'm drunk. Maybe because of my hair. 3939. Nice, bro. Nice. So I guess today's contest went good for everybody. It feels like. I hope I didn't show my code. Nope, I did not. Let's check on Discord was working just now. Why is it checking for updates? Okay, someone joined. Electors joined. I'm waiting for a few more players. Hmm. Bro, why is my computer lagging at this point? LLM से हो पा रहा है शायद first three. Of course, if I could solve it, LLM could obviously solve it. I'm pretty sure LLM से बहुत आसानी से हो पा रहा है. That's why there are so many people in front of me. Did anyone solve C? Yup. 2 pointer plus greedy. 2 pointer plus greedy. It's 2 pointer. Question 4 नहीं हो रहा. Table save 265 की all. Oh, it's just 265. वरना there happens to be contest जहाँ पे 2000 all kill भी जाते हैं. 1500 all kill, 2000 all kill. It's 3200 and we have 13 minutes left. Bro, I'm happy I woke up. I swear to God I was thinking yeah stream नहीं करता, let me skip today's contest. But I'm so happy I woke up. This guy is from China. This guy must be legit. Let's check it. Check his profile. Yep, he's legit. Algorithm engineer. Oh, that sounds such a badass way to describe yourself. Algorithm engineer. That's crazy. And he only solves on these days? Okay, he only attempts contest. Okay, that's why. Bro, we have 3 people. Solve 3 but rank is 11k. If you solved it on your own, be happy. Guys, join the scribble room. And question 3 के test easy थे क्या? I got cooked again. I got cooked. Did you solve the question 3? Pradeep, did you solve question 3? Bro, can you please tell how to counter if both indexes are same? If both indexes are same, your available, like in my approach, I was counting an available value, which was left index plus right index, the value at left index plus right index. If both the index are same, the available positive value would only be left index, the value at left index. I know it sounds like I'm okay. I need to share. Oh, your rank is 5k. Makes sense. Let me share the link again. For the people who are done with the contest, they can join the Scribble. We are playing Scribble here. Okay, we have 4 people here. 800 to 5k is crazy, bro. 800 to 5k is crazy. Oh, someone left. D joined. One more guy. If one more guy joins, we'll start. Gonna have to play Vegeta in the rain song after this. Pradeep, what's your lead code? This is your lead code, right? Pradeep PKG. This is your lead code, right? You're 1861. God damn, that's crazy. 1861 is crazy. Okay, people joined. Do we start then? Yeah, I think 5 people in. Nah, that's all. And what's your main? I think I remember your main. Yeah, I remember. It was Pradeep Pankaj. I don't even know. Pradeep, can you help here? Bro, I can only give hints. I can't give you the solution, bro. For that, you'll have to wait. Pradeep lead code 415. 1890. Yeah, let's end it. 1892. Bro is almost a guardian. Okay, then let's start. Round 1. Meme is choosing a word. Excali, we don't need Excali anymore. Pankaj, what the fuck? Waveform constraints, how do you analyze this? Max TC solution will work. Max TC solution n log n चल जाएगा थर्ड में, TLE तो नहीं देगा. n log n की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. You can solve it in big O of n. Why do you n log n पे approach जाएगी नहीं? You can try at this point n log n try कर लो if you have a solution in mind. Bro, what is this? What? What is this? Bro, who the hell guessed this? What is this, by? Exactly, what is this? And how are people guessing this? Bad drawing, bad drawing. Bad drawing. What? Is this how water bottle exists in your home? This has to be the most stupidest drawing, bro. Most stupidest drawing. Let's go. Able to solve 3. Good work, bro. Bro, such a terrible contest. Why? I think this was on the easier side. Please say third is DP and fourth cannot be done directly as they said. No, third is just greedy plus 2-pointer. It's not DP. If it was DP, I wouldn't have solved it. It's greedy question. The third question is a greedy question. मैंने थर्ड क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पढ़ा कि at most one negative integer है. हाँ, you should have read that carefully. That makes it very easy. Yeah, first two easy on 10-15 minutes, same. And the third में मेरी फालतू की TLE आई, but never mind. Okay. Bro, what is this? What? Tuxedo. Bro, you just gave it away by writing it. At most one negative integer है, that makes it very easy. अगर multiple होते तो then it would have been tough. Brand. Who couldn't guess it? Everybody did. Everybody did. Pradeep is choosing a word. Bro, बेफालतू की penalty मिली. There was a test case having no negative. Exact. Bro, that's the very first thing you should have thought. Still unable to fix that same index bug. Bro, at this point, I don't think so I can help you. Probably after the contest and I'll share my approach. What is this? What? Bro, how is Naman guessing it? Oh. What? M? It starts from M. What is this? Oh my god. How did Naman guess it without the tires? That is crazy. If maintaining one boolean variable to check if it's available or not, still not fixing. I didn't make use of any boolean here. What boolean are you talking about? If it's available or not? I think there might be some other issue in your approach. Okay. Bro, why is Naman so good at this game? Wait. I got it. I got it. कर दिया भाई, थर्ड वाला फाइनली हो गया. Congrats. Why you blur your solution? Is it community guidelines or what? You know what? This is a good lore. In fact, let me show you something. Thank God you asked. To the people who are new on my channel, let me show you something. Wait, is it my turn? Wait, it's also my turn to draw. Yeah, this is the toughest one. This is the toughest one as of yet. Okay. No. It's not cube. Wait until I highlight. What is this? What is this? Right. What is this? What is this? The things I'm highlighting. What are these? Yeah, for the people who are new on my channel, I had to show something. Where is it? I had to show something. Bro. Hmm. I'm trying to see. I saved a screenshot. Bro, don't tell me I can't find it. Yep, here it is. To the guy that asked, why do I blur things? Look at this. Look at this. This is the reason I blur my screen. Oh, you done with the third question? Congrats if you're done with the third question. Why after contest 1k people ban हो जाते हैं? 300 500 max. Yeah, look at this. Can you all see this? Let me decrease my size. Look at this. When I was at 20 subscribers, somebody made a post on Leetcode about my channel to ban my channel. To ban my channel. Because I used to show solutions. So that's why I've started to blur my screen. Although it does nothing, people can still cheat from GPD, but there are some stupid people who have problems with it. What the fuck, there are so many CF streamers who don't blur. I submitted too many. Yeah, exactly, bro. Cheating will happen always. It doesn't matter if I stream or not stream. Okay, Pradeep is choosing what? 3 minutes left. Rank. Oh yeah, let's check my rank. My rank is 3440. That is crazy. Okay, I have it. Easiest guest ever. That dude thought he'd done something. Yeah, he thought 7,200. That's still a good rank. Bro, you could have simply drawn pause. Why did you draw play? Oh, no, people saw my again. Let's go with this one. Yeah. See, Naman, you cheated. There's no point. There's no point that you say you didn't cheat. You cheated on this one. Bro, what are you typing in the chat? If Pradeep, there's no way. दो थे भाई 5 letter word. Bro, this was the most obvious one. Most obvious one that I could have drawn. Bhai, you are so inspiring. Thank you, bro. If you feel that way, thank you. Can you share your Leetcode ID? Just a minute. After this ends, I'll also showcase my solution. I want to check your third question solution. Okay. I will show it. Great work. Keep doing. Thank you. Yeah, rank 6k 3 करने के बाद वो एक bug fuck. 6k rank after solving 3. 3k rank after solving all 3 within 35 minutes. How many did you solve? I solved 3. What is this? But what is this? What? Don't press. Bro, how does Naman guess all of this? Does he have telekinesis or what? भाई अपनी अप्रोच कर एक्सप्लेन कर देना Yeah, in fact, yeah, let's just, this is round 3, right? Okay, this is round 3. After this, we'll discuss the contest. This is round 3. 6 rank after solving 6. What? Oh, the word was Windows. How did everybody guess it so fast? Third question की rating क्या होगी? 1700. No, I think it might be 1650 something. It didn't involve any advanced techniques. It was just observation, I feel like. What is this? Bro, who's this drawing? Oh, it's not solar system. Oh, bro, this guy, that's a crazy drawing. That is a crazy drawing. Mine 40 giga rank, I'm still happy. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's all about being happy with what you have. 14K is not bad if you did it on yourself. They said only one negative number in third question. If not, it would be harder. Yes, it would be a lot harder if it was multiple negative questions. Again, bro, I hope people are not cheating. Yeah. Again, Electus one, bro. I don't know. How does he do it? I don't know. Electus one was okay. We're ending this now. Let's discuss the contest. Let's discuss the contest. Right? God doesn't want me. अब तो बता दो approach third वालों की. हाँ, okay. Let's discuss this. There's still 1,500 all kill. That is crazy. Okay, let's just go on the third question directly. Okay, for the third question, ऊपर से if I explain the approach, in fact, you know what? हाँ, basically this is how I did it. आपको आपको क्या करना है, एक ही नेगेटिव नंबर है तो पहला तो बेस कंडीशन -1 की कि कब आप एक बेस कंडीशन होगी कि यू कैन नेवर मेक जो नेगेटिव नंबर है उसे पॉजिटिव नहीं बना सकते, वो बेस कंडीशन लिखोगे. एक चेक करोगे कि क्या इफ एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व इट, यू फाइंड द इंडेक्स जहां आपका नेगेटिव नंबर है. अब नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, आपके पास एक लेफ्ट इंडेक्स होगा, एक राइट इंडेक्स होगा. लेफ्ट इंडेक्स वुड बी ये जो इंडेक्स होगा +1 और ये वाला -1. अब नाउ यू विल ऐड, अब नाउ यू विल गेट एन अवेलेबल वैल्यू वुड बी लेफ्ट इंडेक्स प्लस राइट इंडेक्स. ठीक है, अवेलेबल वैल्यू होगी लेफ्ट इंडेक्स प्लस राइट इंडेक्स. अब आप क्या करोगे, कितना ट्रांसफर करना है दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन, आपके पास अवेलेबल 4 है और आपको -5 को बनाना है 0, तो आप 4 ट्रांसफर कर दोगे. फिर आप लेफ्ट इंडेक्स को माइनस माइनस करके इधर ले आओगे, राइट इंडेक्स को प्लस प्लस करके इधर ले आओगे. नाउ एक ये केस भी था, अगर दोनों सेम को पॉइंट कर रहे हैं तो हमें इसे डबल कैलकुलेट नहीं करना. अगर दोनों सेम को पॉइंट को कर रहे हैं ना, तो अवेलेबल वुड बी जस्ट लेफ्ट इंडेक्स या राइट इंडेक्स. ऐड आप करते हो मिनिमम बिटवीन रिमेनिंग एंड अवेलेबल. रिमेनिंग इज जस्ट दिस वैल्यू इन पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, और डिस्टेंस भी कैलकुलेट करके चल रहे होते हैं. सो द आंसर इज जितना ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो इनटू डिस्टेंस. यहाँ से आप 4 ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो, द डिस्टेंस इज ओनली 1, सो आपकी कॉस्ट लगेगी 4*1. फिर यहाँ से 1 ट्रांसफर करोगे, द डिस्टेंस इज 2, सो द कॉस्ट में प्लस हो जाएगा 1*2. दिस इज हाउ आई डिड इट. Didn't read at most one negative number in question third. Yeah, that makes it super tough if you didn't read it. If you didn't read that, chalo, yeah, I'll drop. Okay then. Yeah, thanks for joining, bro. Bye. You also do CP or only Leetcode? Only Leetcode. Bro, for third, I thought of things like multi-source BFS, sliding window, then saw 2.6 and went for it. You didn't read, maybe you didn't read there was at most one negative number. That makes it super easy. Your approach was better. I did it by going through left and side one by one. No, you have, why that does not work is because you want the minimum cost, and minimum cost basically means minimum distance first. That's why we do it using greedy. No, we have to go both sides one by one. वरना लेफ्ट साइड से भी आप पूरा कर सकते हो ना. That's why we go greedy. Yeah, this was. I'm happy. Let's see what's my rank. It's showing 3,500, but honestly, it should be less than 3,000. It should be somewhere in the 2,000s. Let's check Amol Yadav's submission, bro. Another cheater. Amol Yadav, bro. Is he cheating? I'm pretty sure he is. Amol Yadav, bro. You shouldn't have done this. Yeah, he hasn't attended any single contest, and you're telling me the first contest he attends. Let's look at his submissions, right? Yep. Amol Yadav is cheating. Okay, this was a Fen victory question. Yeah, that's why I was not attempting it. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. Lower bound से हो जा रहा है. You don't need to go one by one. Yep. Bro, any tips so that I can solve third problem? Just stay consistent. अरे भाई सुबह सुबह ही start हो गए क्या? Bro, there's a contest at 8 a.m. every Sunday. That's what I did. Another dev cheating for resume achievement section. Exactly. And he thinks people will believe. And the worst part, he has he has attached his LinkedIn and all that. That's crazy. Why would you do that, bro? If you're cheating, why would you attach your thing? Like I can now check. Let's check Web of Lohar. Another cheater. See, if it's an Indian in top 10, not even in top 10, in top 50, chances are 90% he cheated. And the fact that they don't even take time to remove their comments, that is crazy. Damn, still live. Yup. Bro, Cruz, you missed. We were playing Scribble. You could have joined. 10 months of consistently solving. Give contest. That's where it tests. ठंड लग रहा है पर मेरी तो Django की बैकएंड क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाली है. Oh, okay. Good luck, bro. Then noob coder. Okay, let's check your solution. Let's check your solution. Hey, I'm a third year student. Minimum moves to balance a. Okay, so sum plus equals to int negative equals to -1. Sum plus equals to balance है अगर टोटल सम निकाल रहे हैं और नेगेटिव इंडेक्स ढूंढ रहे हैं. ठीक है, अगर टोटल सम ही नेगेटिव है तो कभी पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. टोटल सम तो कभी नेगेटिव. अच्छा, टोटल सम नेगेटिव है. अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ डन. अगर कोई भी नेगेटिव नहीं है तो मूव जीरो. ठीक है, दिस नेग इज जस्ट द इंडेक्स. फिर नीड इक्वल्स टू. ठीक है, यही मैंने करा था. मूव्स इक्वल्स टू जीरो. ये वेरिएबल्स एक्चुअली लॉजिक में यूज हो रहे हैं, बस पहले चेक कर ले हैं. ठीक है, इंड इंडेक्स इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव माइनस आई प्लस एन. राइट साइड से कितना बैलेंस मिल सकता है? प्री चेक. Bro, this kind of looks like unnecessary, but okay. Int remaining equals to need. What is need? Distance wise greedy approach. पहले पास के लोगों को बैलेंस लेके जाओ. हाँ. Why was this? This was not needed. Index 1, index 2, negative plus I percentage n, negative minus I plus n percentage n. This is smart. मेरी इसमें दिक्कत हो गई थी. मैंने नेगेटिव केसेस को हैंडल नहीं करा था. जब -1 चला जा रहा था आपका इंडेक्स, उसमें मेरे को एक पेनल्टी मिली. Math minimum between remain. Yeah, bro, good approach. But this was unnecessary. You could have skipped this. What's the need of this? What's the need of this? Your father क्या करते हैं, bro? Why do you wanna know? Aman Kohli. Okay, let's check your approach. Gond Sachin. 1870, and you want me to check your approach? Absolute difference. Okay, you did this one first. See, I can't even understand your code. And you're doing it CPP. Vector of pair of LL. So what you did, bro? What did you do here? Min moves, gain equals to 0 loss. For end this is a competitive programmer's way of doing a question, but let's see. Int and x of a, if x is loss plus equals to absolute x, ठीक है, gain plus equals to x, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, नेगेटिव इंडेक्स निकाल लिया, नेगेटिव वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर ली, पॉजिटिव कर ली, ठीक है, लेफ्ट और राइट पॉइंटर निकाल लिया, आंसर इक्वल टू जीरो, के इक्वल टू जीरो. What does this vector stores? Distance equals to 1, while left is not equal to index. अच्छा, इसमें पहले प्री कंप्यूट करके चल रहे हो डिस्टेंस और a ऑफ लेफ्ट, ठीक है, फिर सॉर्ट कर दिया कि ओके, सॉर्ट कर रहे हो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. ओ ओके, तो यू सॉर्टेड कि मिनिमम डिस्टेंस आए, but this sorting would give us minimum distance and minimum left. We would want minimum distance and maximum left ना. maximum left मतलब कि अगर दो इंडेक्स सेम है, दो इंडेक्स का डिस्टेंस सेम है, तो हम चाहेंगे कि जिसमें बड़ी वैल्यू वो पहले आए, है ना. I was so close to question 4. Yes bro, overthinking. Can you explain about the circular thing again? See, I think I did that very clearly. Safe index एक function बना दिया था. I did it very simply. I made a safe index function जिसमें आप इंडेक्स डालोगे और आपके एरे की लेंथ डालोगे. अगर इंडेक्स लेस देन 0 है तो n-1 रिटर्न कर दो, वरना i परसेंटेज n कर दो. As simple as that. This is how I did it. Exactly same to same approach. GPT gave this sorted one. Storing distance balance. Bro, GPT gave that approach. James Peralta SW in the chat. Where is he? Got cooked by question 4. Oh, James is here. What's up, James, bro? Got cooked by question 4. If you can't solve it, then how do I even try? If you can't solve it. In fact, see, depress Q. Exactly same to same approach. GPT gave this sorted one. If distance of two elements is same, we can take any one of this. But we would prefer the one that has more value, right? I mean, your code works, of course, but theoretically it makes sense to pick the one that has more value if distance is same. Would? No, we... Okay, I get it. I get it. Got cooked by question 4. Do I check James' submission? Let me see. James Peralta Leetcode. Leetcode profile. Let's check how he did it. Minimum moves to balance circular array. He codes in Python, bro. That's crazy. In one move, a person can transfer exactly 1 unit of balance to their left or right neighbor. What's minimum? There's at most one negative value in balance initially. Return the minimum. Yep. Yeah, it's a similar approach. Python codes look like English at this point. Last one was of segment trees. Yeah, that's why I didn't attempt it. Bro, contest में इतना comments लिखने का time कहाँ से मिलता है? People do it either on paper or they think. Yeah. Bro, मेरा approach कैसा था? 45 minute लगे वरना rank अच्छी होती. Your approach was good, but you wrote some unnecessary code. You wrote some unnecessary code. That left check and right check. Your lead code ID. Rank dropped. My lead code ID is this. This is my lead code ID for those who are asking. And we got a rank drop. Okay, we need to go to contests. My contests. Please be under 2000, I beg you. Please be under 2000, bro. Bro, I still didn't get under 2000 rank. I was so close. And LeetCode didn't delete these cheaters. This guy is an obvious cheater, right? He's doing an external paste for even the second question. Cat by the... And LeetCode didn't delete them? How is this fair, bro? How's this fair? Purish bhai, I'm cooked. What's your rank? I just checked my solution, get what took me so long. Why? Result plus equals to car and result equals to result plus equals to current. No, they are the same thing. Both are different thing. They are the same thing. They are the same thing. What do you mean? क्यों भाई या reason या कुछ suggestion? Two penalty. Bro, they are the same thing. What do you mean? Result equal to result plus current and result plus equals to current. They are the same thing. What do you mean? I'm giving you my solution. Okay, tell me your lead code ID. I'll check your. Purish bhai, how are you doing, Dev? Strategy plus resource. I'm kind of a person who learns the best using by actually doing stuff. I hate doing tutorials, so I'm actually building a project under someone's guidance. So yeah, I'm doing it that way. How are you doing, Dev? Strategy plus resources. Hmm. I am not following any strict resource. Bro, Ansh, you could give me your lead code ID. I'll check your submission. Now this is what pissed me off. I still didn't get a 2000 rank. In the 2000s, I mean. Whereas Amol Yadav, a cheater, he didn't get deleted. Can we report him? Can we report him? Okay, he did get deleted. Okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure he also did an external paste. Cheater. He's a cheater. Leetcode should delete everybody's account. You see? External paste 200 cars. That didn't work. He did another external paste of 500 cars. Report him for cheating. Bro, where do I report him? Where do I report him? Boomesh. Boomesh thinks we believe him that he achieved. What do you do, lead code? Ban this guy. He cheated and copied from LLMs. Lead code rating, did it come? Lead code rating predictor. It didn't come. Nope. We still have to wait. Bro, about to report all above him to get 2k. That's a good strategy, bro. That's a good strategy. I just need 51 people to be banned so that I can get 2k rank. I started at 850. Shouldn't have attempted. It depends. If you had registered earlier, you should attempt. But if you didn't register, then you should not have registered. Have you previously used safe index method you created? No, I just wrote it right now. Wait. Let me check this guy's solution. Let me check this guy's solution. You're 1598. Good rating. What was it? Circular? Where is even your submission? Same vowel count? Bro, where's your submission? हमारा comment ignore किया जा रहा है. No, bro. Aren't you at 3051 or 2051? I'm at 3051. I want to go into the 2000s. Your rating would increase around 40. Are you stupid? Plus 40 would make my entire 2025. It would never go plus 40. At its best, it would go plus 10. At its best. Reverse word question 2. Oh, in question 2, you're asking about question 2. This was a straightforward question. Just do what the question is asking. Okay, let me give you a better trick just right now. What you did, yeah, this works. But next time, please, please do not do shit like this. Write your code if you want to check any characters. What you did was correct, but iterate over your string like this for car C of S. You iterated using index. That works, but see, it's so much easier if you do it like this, like C equals to A, C equals to E. You wouldn't have to do current j equals to a, current j equals to e. So that takes up your time. And while, what is this? String stream. What is string stream? While is greater than current count, for int j equals to, if vowels equals to count, result dot pop back. Bro, what? Why? What is? I don't understand. What is this? ठीक है, you counted, then you will result equal to result plus current, result equals continue. I think you kind of overcomplicating it. I overcomplicated it too. I did by counting the vowels. Okay, I did not counting the vowels by taking out every word from our string, then counting the vowels for the first word, then counting it in the following words, and if the count is equals to our original count, we reverse and we push that, right, into another vector, then we iterate over the vector, and then, yeah, this was a stupid question to begin with. In reverse words, I switched to Python. Did you? Check result equals to current. Oh, that. Okay, so you're telling me this result plus equals to. So you were getting a MLE for that. You're telling me you were getting a MLE for that, right? It won't work. You got an MLE, right? My bad, dude. You're 1700 plus, so it would at least go plus 20. Yeah, I think plus 20 is still too much. Plus 10 at max. भाई सही बता रहा हूँ, मत कर 2 साल का टाइम वेस्ट है, डेव कर ले, अच्छा रिमोट जॉब मिल जाएगी, इसकी जगह सिस्टम डिजाइन कर ले. That kind of makes sense, bro. DSA, even in my opinion, hasn't been too fruitful. I just do it because I like it. Yes, bhai, MLE. Okay, I see. Because this is basically when you do result equal to result plus current, then you're creating a new string every time. So it gives a MLE. Makes sense. People have solved 4 on 4 and also posted on LinkedIn. How so fast? Chances are they are cheaters. Bro, chances are they are cheaters. Maximum case they are cheaters. Bro, Shaitan is here. Did you attempt today's contest, Shaitan, bro? Did you attempt today's contest? I feel like you did not because you do not. Yep, you did not. He did not. No, you did not. Today was an easier one. You could have attempted it from your main ID. But on-campus companies focus on DSA ना, would do we would do rating predictor आया नहीं आया यार. Yeah, waiting for a rating predictor. For the last time it came at 9:47. It's 9:53 already. Let's wait till 10, then we'll end it. Bro, how to improve logic building? Just practice, bro. Even I'm bad at finding out logics. Bro, my rating is 1584 and rank is 5500. 1600 hogi this week. It has to go very close to 1600. I mean, there's a possibility 1600 हो जाए, but there are chances कि just एक दो नीचे रह जाए. I got a plus 10 at 5.2k rank at 1726 rank previously. क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई? Did you actually? Okay, then I'm hopeful. Be like I'm learning DP from past 2 weeks, but now I'm forgetting trees. LL concept. What to do any solution. भाई मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ. You have to keep revising. मैंने भी तो कल बैठ के trees and जब graphs करा, if you look at yesterday's stream, I had to see कि how do we actually represent a graph. Revision. It's obvious. Solve 3. Yes, I did solve 3. Aman Kohli, bro, DSA, see, it's a gamble. If you have good on-campus companies visiting, then DSA is worth it. But otherwise, even in my opinion, DSA has not been as fruitful as people make it seem like. it hasn't been as fruitful. I do it so much because I like it. But most GPT, I can't beat GPT. In person interview में, they won't ask you hard DSA like prior to your sliding window. That's the most real shit that Pradeep said. I agree to that 100%. You've solved some DSA sheet, nothing completely. थोड़ी striver करी है, neat code करी थी, neat code 150, but that too didn't completely. If I show you my neat code 150, this, it's loading. I did good enough, probably like 72 out of 50, yeah, so almost half the sheet. I think there will be minimum moves to balance circular array two problems in which there are more negative elements. That could have been a fourth question because that's tough. That could have been a fourth question because that's actually tough. Bro, if we register for the contest but don't attempt, will it count? Yes, it will count. That's why never register early. Never register early. You can register anytime when you're actually like giving the contest. If the contest is running, you can even register them, but never register early because if you register and don't attempt, then your rating decreases. Your rating decreases. भाई GitHub दिखाओ यार. Bro, if I show my GitHub, I'll be embarrassed to death. My GitHub is empty. Did you not see the shot of mine? Did you not see this? This. Okay, day one of grinding every day until I reach night. What did I tell you? These are my current stats. I'm about. This is my lead code. With about 350 questions solved, and this is what my GitHub. Look at my GitHub heat map. It's trash, I know, and I'm working on it. So I've decided to split my day. My GitHub is trash. Background music is too funny. But I thought it was cute. Cute lag rahe ho bhai. What's this shot? I just thought maybe why not? Cute lag rahe ho. Why did you stop making shot? No, I'll make it. I'll make it. I'm just not good at time, like managing time. I'll make another version. I currently need to study for my end sim. I have my end sims tomorrow and I haven't started studying yet. Bro, it's still not out. That is crazy. It's still not out. That is absolutely. What do we do? Do we wait or do we end the stream? I don't want that bad negative. What is your current rank, Pradeep? What is your current rank? Same DevOps, I'm pretty sure you have started studying. Don't lie, bro. You have started studying for tomorrow's test. 5011. And you're a knight, right? Pradeep. Bro, why does Pradeep lead code 415? You're a knight, right? You're 1892 and 5000 rank. If I have to be honest, I am not very hopeful. See, as much as I want you to get a positive rating, but I feel like it's kind of tough. See, new PFP. Oh, yeah, this is exactly our situation right now. Makes sense, bro. You shouldn't be sad if you're 1892 on Leetcode. Damn, you shouldn't be sad, okay? I know it's definitely not positive. Yeah, the best you can expect is a 0. The best you can expect is a 0. Bro, the predictions are still not out. That I'm waiting 2 more minutes. After that, I'm ending because once it actually came at 10:09. 10:09 is goddamn crazy. And 10:09 a.m. Yep. I'm waiting for 1 or 2 more minutes. Pollution too much there? Yep. At this point, I'm so accustomed to bad air that I don't even feel it. Why guys trust that predictor? वो मुझे +2 दिखाता है, रियल में +10 मिलता है. Be hopeful. We trust that because जो वो दिखाता है उससे better ही होता है because it takes in the rank when cheaters have not been removed. Abhi jaise he would give me a prediction with my rank of 3500, whereas in reality my rank is 3000 na right now. Look at my rank. If we look at my rank right now, what is my rank? Yep, 3051. Although I'm very sure Bomesh has cheated, Shukla has cheated. You want me to prove that? There's no code replay available for Shukla. Okay. See this guy is a legit solver. See, he's an algorithm engineer and he only gives contests. He has given 94 contests. He's 2800. So I can believe he's solving all the four questions in 8 minutes. Right. He's solving all the four questions in 8 minutes. And I'm pretty sure he does it by himself. I mean, if him not, then who will? But all the others, like R. Kalra, let's look at his submission. Let's look at his submission. Oh, wait. He actually did this? See, some people, what they do is they add a bot who types instead of pasting, they add a bot. So let's look at his profile. He is 13 contests and he's 2800 rated. Bro, what do we think of him? Is he legit? What do we think of him? I mean, he very well can be a genius. But see the way he types is, I don't know, bro, at this point. R. Kalra, Guardian in 13 contests sounds kind of crazy. Yeah, see, look at the way he's typing. It's almost like a bot. Yeah, this has to be a bot. No errors, nothing. I don't know, bro. Hi, it was my first contest and I could always solve first question and my rank is 17k. So how much rating would I receive? Let's see what my rank was in my first contest. Then I could give you an idea. In my first contest, I got a rank of 11,000 and I got a plus 19. So my rating became 1519. You're getting a rank of 17,000. So at its best, you could get a plus 7, plus 7, plus 8 at its best. Leetcode need to roll out bot typing check. Bro, absolutely. You don't think any Indian, when there's an Indian in first page, yeah, they're all cheating. Bro is so obsessed with his rank, checking again and again. I want that sub 3000 rank, bro, because I did it on my own. 3051. Wow, thanks, bro. Hmm. Oh, okay, thanks. Is the predictions out? But can't code without GPT. That is every developer in 2025, almost 2026 now. Do you guys think should I also do a live stream on New Year, doing Leetcode on New Year? That's gonna sound crazy if I do New Year on Leetcode. That makes me sound like a low lifer who has no life outside Leetcode. We are ending the stream. Let the cheaters be. At least I can say my rank isn't good because of cheaters. That's a good way to look at it. LinkedIn पे viral जाएगा. You know, I even did a stream on Diwali. At that time, I didn't used to get any viewers, but I did a lead code stream on Diwali. So New Year isn't anything huge in front of Diwali. My rank not showing even after solving 2 by 4 questions. Why is your rank not showing? 6 minute or then end the stream. Do you want me to wait till 10:10? Okay, then let's wait till 10:10. Why is your rank not showing even after 2? How can that be possible? What is your ID? Show me your ID. Tell me your lead code ID. Misobro 3032. Tell me your ID. Tell me your ID. Bro, I look so stupid. You will get plus 26 point. Wait, the predictions are out? The predictions are out. No, it's not out. How did you tell plus 26.72? Are you at home? If yes, then why is there whiteboard at your home? That whiteboard has been there since I was preparing for JE. I still have that. I still have a marker. I use that to do organic chemistry. Not organic, maths and organic chemistry. I show code 444. Tell your JE story. Bro, I can tell my rank. My rank was about 45,000. I got 95 percentile. The only reason in physics I got a 99 percentile. In chemistry I got a 95 percentile. And in maths, I remember I got something. Maths screwed me. In maths I got 75 or 80 percentile something. And I had to go into a stupid college. Damn, I never cared about J. But J is the like you didn't prepare well. What do you think in J? In the end, I got severe anxiety before 1 month before my J. I had severe anxiety, bro. That was the first time I even got to know what anxiety was. I couldn't even breathe. It was so worse to a point that I got so tensed कि J आ रहा है, J आ रहा है, and that screwed everything. मैथ्स में कोऑर्डिनेट में गेम हो गया था. You got 92 percentile. J is tough. Yeah, bro. But people who excelled in JE, their life is so much better than us who did not. If I give enough time, then I can still get a lot better. Oh, you're talking about development. Yeah, let's check your profile. You've solved 151 questions. Absolute difference between maximum and minimum minimums. What is this? Yo, wait. अच्छा चलो ये तो absolute difference है. Reverse word with same vowel count. Bro, if your rank is not showing, there's a possibility that you cheated and you got banned from the contest. Did that happen? Because then, why is your rank not showing? I had KCETs who never cared about G. Bro, target company and LPA कितने का है? Just job, no target company, no LPA. If you got 25k in JEE means that's a good rank. What college are you in right now? You are banned, bro. Rank गई तो. हाँ, that guy. So you're a cheater. Dragon, you probably cheated. That's why your rank is not visible. Krishna Kant Panthi. Okay, let's see. You don't say that jump scare, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. J star B. Is that better? J star B. Yo, bro. This guy is interning already. He has given 93 contests and he's 1872. Okay, let's look at his portfolio. This is like wet dream of everybody in the chat. Krishnakan, data structures and algorithms enthusiast. Okay, it's loading. Let's look at your projects. It's loading. Turtle. Bro, good work, bro. I hope to become like you one day. I think you grinded in 2024, yeah? You grinded like crazy in 2024. You once reached a 1900. But yeah, see, like in this contest, I'm pretty sure he registered, but he forgot to wake up. Oh, Ravi. He forgot to wake up. RIP. एक month bang आएगा फिर से. Presently, I'm in IIT Dhanbad lower band. See, you're still in IIT. Does loading mean he didn't made any till now? That would be my portfolio if I ever make one. See, I think I can start a stream wherein I actually build a portfolio. It's high time I build a portfolio. IIT Dhanbad is still a good college. Bro, are the ratings out? What the what the hell are people doing at Leetcode rating predictor? Yeah, I'm ending, bro. It's 10:10. We can't wait anymore. These lazy asses have not updated yet. It should have been out by now. Every time it has been out by 10:10. That's crazy. It's not out by now. Hmm. Check Leetcode rating predictor website page. There's link to another website. There's link to another website. What do you mean? Entrant Hub. Who made this website, bro? I need to see who is the guy who made this. Bailioli 2008. He was born in 2008. Look at his GitHub, bro. That is crazy. Every hero has a code. Oh, he has been coding since 2005. So it's not like he was born in 2008. Because if he's born in 2008, he's what? 17 now? 481? It was 480, right? The contest that I just gave, what contest was it? That was 480. Oh, okay. Rankings. Okay. How can I search? How can I search mine? Bro, how do I search mine? Rankings include. Bro, how do I search mine in this? Okay. They ain't getting paid enough for that shit. Makes sense, bro. I'm being too like. What is that word? What is that word? I don't even know at this point. Bro, we'll have to go manually. That is crazy. Every page has how many? 25 people. Let's check my weekly count is 480. What page I am at? I'm at 3000 rank, right? So 3000 divided by 40. I'm at 120 page. I'm at 120 page, right? Yeah, I'm at 121. No, I'm at 122. I'm at 120. I'm at 123. Yes, here I am. 123. Bro, we can't even go to a page number. Do you want me to click 123 times? What is this stupid website? Does it want me to click 123? Oh, bro, this is so. Okay, 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 okay. I might just be stupid. Here it is. 3005 Pudiji. Plus 26 is crazy. Plus 26 is crazy. Yo. And it has the updated rating. It has an updated rating. Not like the one which is old. Yeah, I'm happy. I can now peacefully study for tomorrow's exam. Type it in the link, buddy. Edit in the URL. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Dynamic path. Yeah, you guys could have already judged my development skills. Why some of them are red highlighted? Because yeah, why is he red? Maybe because he cheated? No contest history available? It should be. I have attended 17 contests. It should be giving history. I think this is still in its development phase. Why are people in the red? Probably because they cheated. Like, let's look at this guy, V. Celia. Let's look at his profile. 115 to become knight. Yeah, he's going to. Okay, let's check your. Okay, let's check Pradeep's. Bro, I've opened way too many. Okay, let's check Pradeep's. 201. Where is Pradeep? Bro, minus 10. See, I told you. It would have been easy if you didn't like if you got a 0, but minus 10 is crazy. I said lol at least 20. Yeah, bro, you were right. Thank you. Crazy. I'm getting plus 17. Bro, that's good. That's good. Plus 17 is good. Page 41, number 2. Okay, let's check page 41. Page 41. What was even your rank? I show code? Bro, how did. Bro, I need. What? What was your code? How did you solve it so quickly? I show code. You solved the fourth one too? Bro, you might just be the next. You solved the fourth one too. That is crazy. I show code, bro. Make me your student. Do what you love. 600 questions. You're from DTU. Okay, we're from the same city. Check, bro. My rank is. Tell your page number. Tell your page number. I will get less than 1k in bi-weekly and reach 1900 peak coping. No, who knows? It may happen. I got plus 0. Yeah, that's what you get when you don't attempt. Bro, how to study for IPO and SIMs? I haven't started yet. Okay. Yeah, this has been a good stream. Right. Good stream, good contest. Now I can peacefully spend my Sunday without worrying about my contest because it went okay, although it could have been better. Some tips for IPO and SIMs. Bro, my CGPA is 8.2. I'm not the best guy to give you tips. What are you in first year? Are you in first year? Nobody cares about NSIMs and IPU. Like I'll start studying today. Hmm. Just follow Akash. You're in second year. Just follow Akash. Try to do PYQs. That's the only tip I can give you. Yeah, because I don't myself study much for NSIMs. Hmm. Okay. Good stream, good contest, good weekend. That's it for today. I won't be streaming tomorrow. We'll meet you in HMR. Okay, sure, we will. I won't be streaming tomorrow. I have my NSIMs tomorrow. I'll probably stream day after tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.